Yo, what's up, gang? This is Life with Selvi, and we just heard that amidst everything that was happening, okay, with everything that was going on, Seedhe Maut dropped, and Seedhe Maut dropped a banger. Obviously, if it's Seedhe Maut, tera bhai Seedhe Maut, you know how it goes. Now, before anybody goes on and say, "Ooh, I wanna be a wannabe, TBSM," fan, jokes on you. Listen, they dropped a song called Pancake with Seedhe Maut, Hurricane, which I don't know who they are, and DL91 FM. Again, these two people I've not heard about. These two are like new, obviously. अगर उनके पास में कुछ features हो गए, I'm not too sure. मुझे लगता है नहीं है, but ऐसा कुछ निकला है. तो Pancake, by the art cover is so crazy. Alright, तो उनका featuring है. Today that's what we're gonna check out and see how SM did, because that is exciting. Matlab, everything you drop is a banger. And again, you come out and say, wanna be this. Okay, let's get started with the video. Again, welcome back to Life with Selvi. It's another day, another reaction. Let's see what we gotta do. I'm just here to spread some positivity, some happiness, some laughter, and some lame ass jokes, because I make lame ass jokes. But anyways, let's get started. Okay, bhai log, to hum aa gaye hai. Grab your drink. It says Alvi Shan. Grab your drink and let's get started with this music video. Luckily it's a music video, so visually hame entertainment ke liye bahut kuch hai. And usually Tera Bhai Seedhe Maut, you know how they be doing. And let's see agar calm is actually calm in this. या फिर ये ठंडा ले काम बोलना पड़ेगा. But let's see. Encore, I'm really pumped up for him, and especially I'm like pumped up for like Hurricane and DL91 FM. Actually थोड़ा ना पढ़ लेते हैं. रुक जाओ तुम लोग. Like hang on, like I want to see who did what and what. So okay, video credits is by DL91. Executive producer is Noshad Sayed. I don't know who that is. Written and performed by SM and Hurricane. Mix and produced and mix mastered by Hurricane too. So okay, the music video bande ne banaya hai. FM 9L99L21. Why is that Kadi Limdi? Okay, that's not Kadi Limdi. It's a Limda though. You know that plant? I hope I'm right. There's coconut tree, I know that. Oh wow, look at this tree. It's so Pakini sundar thi wo. This is a crazy visual. Wow, what a statement piece tree. And those leaves are killing it. Sundar bhai, whoever I think this music video is gonna eat. I'm like a very highly nature influenced person. I love nature, animals, everything. So I think I'm in for a treat. Let's see. Koi fish! Oh, that froggy isn't even real. It's a gold chain, bro. मुझे भी ले चलो. खाने में क्या है? Pancake! उठाओ जैसे महाल है, उठाओ ले सीधे, सोने की इच्छा भी गाल है, मिले न खा for a lot of days, पर जो भी है याद के साथ में, और कुछ लोग जो देख थोड़ा confidence, क्या लगे याद तो feeling pain. एक मिनट, इसका starting ना ऐसे नहीं होता जैसे तुम सुबह में उठते हो and then you have like this morning की आवाज़ है ना, and then कोई तुम्हें बुलाता है and you're like trying to respond and you're like and you're like हाँ क्या बोल रहे हो. ऐसा ही था उसका starting. मतलब when this guy just started singing ऐसा था, but then he भाई रुक जाओ, मैं ना pause करूँ. That was a crazy turn. जो editing बहुत impressive है. मुझे देखने दो फिर से. सोने की इच्छा भी सो चुकी. Oh
पर असल में है नहीं गोटे शॉट कैश में भराते नहीं मैजिक तो है ये फेज और हर ऑर्गेनिक दो पेन इन माय हैंड और फिर देखो तुम पैनिक बोट 8 AM इन द स्टोर को करू खाने दो पीके
भाई रुक जाओ, इट्स टेकिंग मी टाइम टू प्रोसेस। भाई कितना क्लीन ट्रांजिशंस है, कितने फ्रेम्स है भाई, एडिटिंग भाई इतनी इम्प्रेसिव। गाना तो कैंट है ही, गाना तो है ही बैंगर, बट भाई कितनी इम्प्रेसिव एडिटिंग है। There is so much going on भाई। ये जो ब्लंट वाला जो ट्रांजिशन था यहाँ से, वीके को प्रॉब्लम है।
सोने की इच्छा भी सोचो कि बस चाहिए क्वालिटी टाइम मेरे साथ तो मैं बिजी हूं कर भी भाइयों के साथ मेरा किचन में कुकिंग वो दिखता है हरा पर नहीं है वो ब्रोकली लौंडे कहते हैं पहला मैं औषधि लगता है जैसे तू जी चुका 100 सदी लेकिन मैं जिया हूं जितना मैं जिया हूं जिग रहा है इसका सब दिखता हूं सिस्टम आंखों देखी बातों को ना खोल सोचता अकेले तू कभी कभी औरों के भी साथ बोल मुझे देख जब से बोलना चालू किया दिल में लोग दिन पांच और तनी बैंड छलांग मारता मैं बोलता नहीं बैंड तो दहाड़ मारता जब फ्लेक्स करूं मिट्टी या फ्लेक्स करूं
यस मैं बोलता नहीं दहाड़ मारता हूँ। मी आई एम द शेयर, ओके।
मैं मरे हुए फूलों में जान डाल रहा हूँ याद रख
9-1 shout out to him। Oh hi, this guy is crazy. Now the transition. आ गया। अच्छा ooh, अच्छा 9-1। रुक जाओ यार, क्या यार, रुक जाओ भाई। that is a crazy music video भाई। क्या बात कर रहे हो तुम लोग। Oh my god, this editing is so impressive. I like want my low-key videos to look like this if I ever stop vlogging, but god damn, मेरे साथ कौन ही काम करेगा। The thing is like कि मेरा ना बहुत गंदा scene है। Like it's like right now I am working a lot and I don't get time to do things that I say I want to do, but it's just life. I'm gonna give it some time, not gonna be so hard on myself. I'm doing my best. So yes, but the editing is so hard. Anchor's flow was so impressive, so fucking impressive। फिर से start करेंगे भाई, क्या smoothly गाया है भाई ने इसकी मूंछ बढ़िया लग रही है इसमें। He said वो दिखता है हरा पर नहीं है ब्रॉक। Oh god।
जान डाल रहा हूँ याद रख
जब इसने ऐसा किया कुछ क्रेजी ट्रांजिशन जैसा आएगा जब काम ने ऐसा किया। Bro, so good भाई, so good। I don't know मैं ज़्यादा किससे खुश हूँ, like the music video itself or like the lyrics, or या फिर इतना अच्छा जो गाना था, beat कितनी बढ़िया थी, nothing like crazy. Usually Seedhe Maut ना बहुत unique sound करता है, and when it comes to like sound and music sampling, वो लोग ऐसी crazy beat choose करते हैं जो बहुत ही unique हो, बहुत ही like, you know, like outside of like what the normal ish beats are and everything, or the frequency and the countancy is. But this was like something so good. Bye. हाँ ना, पेंचो travel government. ये हम डिपार्टमेंट ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं है, अगर मैं कुछ बोलूंगी तो अभी कुछ विवाद हो जाएगा, तो भाई this girl Kushi, damn bro, me too. I think this is going to my playlist, guys. What are you talking about? Like, what are you talking about? Oh my god, it's such a drip, fun, vibey, groovy ass song. But it's not summer type song, and it's not summer type song. And like, is a vibe, bro. I can imagine you're blowing this up in your gym, banger, and hitting a new fucking PR. Banger, bang, motherfucking girl. Oh my god, this song is so good. I can't get over it. Like, what the fuck? Abhi, I don't know, agar ye aa gaya hoga, Farebi was a nice track too. Bhai, kya Char Diwari and Raftar, goddamn. But, yeah. Wow, this is so pretty to watch at. I just want to watch the music video over and over again. It's so well executed. Everything is syncing so well. I'm impressed. I want this guy to be my editor. I can definitely afford him with the amount of work I do. Maybe, but I really want him to be my editor. Wow. But for that, I will have to hustle my ass because I need to give them what they want, and that's the main part. But यार मैं ना बंधी हुई हूँ थोड़ी चीज़ों से. कुछ है जो मतलब मुझे करना होता है, कुछ ऐसे हालात हैं मेरी अभी जो I'm just, you know, like bounded by and shit. But wow, this song made my fucking day. Wow, I am so happy that I came across this, because Seedhe Maut, listen, Seedhe Maut के तुम die hard fan हो तो this song is, भाई तुम्हें नशे वाला ऐसा असर होगा, नशा ही करवाएगा ये गाना तुम्हें. But damn bro, रिस्की काम करवाएगा तुमसे, रिस्की, like तुम सोचोगे भैंस जो प्लेन से उड़ जाऊं. Don't do that, don't actually attempt to do that. But तुम्हें ऐसे, you know, अंदर से आएगी कि like, hey, I can do this. It's a very motivational song. अंदर से मतलब क्या बात कर रहे हो तुम, this is crazy. Pancake, crazy. Bhai, I'm very impressed by the attitude, dude. This guy is killing it. But yeah, if you like this song, let me know what you like the most about this song besides the MV, obviously. Let me know what we should react on. And next up, and milte hai body jol. You guys stay safe, and I love you all. I always say stay safe because shit goes down any minute. It slides like the tectonic plates, earthquakes, slides, and then boom, earthquake. Okay, so please take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones, look around what's happening, always be vigilant, always observe, and save yourself. That's all I gotta say. And trust in God. Life is good. Okay, hang in there. I'm praying that everything goes back to normal and we're all good. So until then, let's be positive, keep smiling, be healthy, be safe. And I'll meet you all very soon in the next upcoming video. Bye.